All right, we are out here ready for the Hack-O-Rama. First up is the winner. I know it is the winner.
It is not.
It is. This
it's
is
a butter box.
No, it's the butter bender, flashlight bender. So what we're going to do is first, Mark, get over there. Get over there. Let me take a picture here. Now I'm going to take a picture just like we do. You know, we put up our flash. We take the straight up picture, right? Oh, that is beautiful. Really nice. Nice job. And let me do one with the flash this time. There we go.
There we go.
All right. That looks simply awful. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to pop.
You don't want me to see this?
No,
Okay.
not yet.
Okay.
I'll show you once I'm through bending the light with my butter. This is the most creamy picture you're ever going to see. So watch this. Same pose, strike a pose. Oh yes. In fact, take a look at this.
Okay, the butter bender.
Take a look at this chopstick guide. That is with the butter bender. That is without the butter bender. Butter bender, no butter bender.
Okay, okay.
Butter bender, no butter bender. Butter bender, no butter bender. Bangladesh,
I think you got
India.
something going, but I don't know about the best.
It looks incredible. So let me see. I want to see your next best.
You're
okay?
ready for my modifier.
I'm gonna get ready. Go get it.
All right, now are you ready for the
know.
magical milky modifier?
I don't know if I'm ready or not.
So let's do what you did. You're going to go over there. You're going to be the guinea pig this time. I'm going to set this down. We're going to take our control shot. This is direct flash. Let's make sure it's on.
My chopsticks.
Get your chopsticks up there. And, oh, that's hideous. It's hideous. Even if the light was good, it would be hideous. Here's the beauty of the magnificent milk modifier is these are patented slits that allow you to fit comfortably any size of flash.
I don't know if there's any way that's going to be.
It is. This is way better than butter. So it really becomes, do you want a milky shadows and milky light, or would you like buttery light? Nobody wants a buttery light. It's sticky and it's gross. So here we go. Chopsticks back up, and here we go. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I don't think that you're.
I showed you.
You're not going to be
mine,
able to.
You show me yours.
You're not going to be able to see this. You're not. You're going to.
Oh my.
There it is. Okay, there is the magnificent milky
That
modifier.
Is milky.
That is the control shot.
Okay, I say.
Look at those harsh shadows back
I say
there.
That the milky modifier
Now they're
made it
gone.
rather milky. It's actually I kind of
It's
think
a beautiful
it's kind
shot.
of dairy dreamy.
Yep, this is definitely an 8-point modifier. And see, I can use this. I can keep the milk in it. If I get thirsty, I can drink while I'm doing the shoot. I can actually use this as my weighted
no more
sandbag.
no more
Okay,
I
okay.
didn't sell mine more. I just shot with it. So I want to show you my silicone leafy gobo.
Let's go try
Let's
them.
go give that a walk and let's give that a try. So. All right, so I think we now have round 2 ready to go.
I think so. I think I've got this one in the bag.
No, this is a winner. You know what this is. This is the silicone leaf gobo. It's the imitation leaf gobo, actually. So what we do is we're going to stick this on into our lens hood.
It's very leaf-like.
Well, it's totally realistic. So we stick this in there, balanced perfectly. No, don't touch your chopstick. Okay, you get back to there. Now I'm going to take a picture of this. Oh, I can see. Oh, yes.
There.
We got it. Ready? Firing away.
An action shot.
One shot is all it took to win.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, those leaves look so like realistic, you know.
They do. They are genuine silicone.
Yeah, because these wouldn't work.
No, I have to have a 3D dimensional type effect. So
Gotcha.
what I got here is I got our effect of the leaves in the front with the leaves in the back, giving it the dimension of depth of field.
I can see actually I can't really see that very well. But let's bring out the chopstick chamber. And if we stick your camera in the chopstick chamber, oh, look at how much better we can see.
It's pretty amazing, actually. The chopstick chamber really brightens my day.
So look at the chopstick chamber there. Look at how much easier that I can see that. I couldn't even hardly see the picture, but this chamber is so versatile. This is an amazing hack. For $4.88, I can actually, carry all of your garbage, or I mean your gobos.
And your chopsticks.
And chopsticks inside.
All right.
Okay, so round 2 over. You ready for round 3?
I'm ready for round 3.
I got this one in the
Let's
bag.
go grab the stuff. It is time for round 3 of the Hack-O-Rama. Bring it on, bring it on.
Oh. It's already been brung, okay?
I don't even know what to say with that one. So what we have right now is our super spiffy, our super duper gobo that's going to actually create.
It's not going to work.
It's going to create stunning lines across the face to make this a magical art piece. So Mark, go on over. Now this is going to be quite an art piece here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shot, I'm going to line it up with my flash that's behind me, and now when I take this shot, I think this should work. Let's make sure the flash goes up. Oh.
Not going to work.
Oh, I just love this so much. I'm going to just keep clicking. Oh my goodness. Mark, take a look at this. I mean, if you have not seen artwork before, you've seen it now.
It's hard to see. If we had the chopstick chamber, we could put your camera in and I could
You know,
I got to admit, that looks amazing.
it looks totally amazing. But
The contraption looks amazing.
this, for round 3, I'm just wondering if I am a loser because I can just see that. I can see you walking down the street, all the time you're carrying the
Well, here's the problem we have.
what do we call this thing?
We're going to think of a better name than we had, but I'm going to tell you what. When we're teaching, one of the problems we have is, always setting things down. You can't ever have time to get a drink. Right here, we got everything with us now. You can eat, you can take pictures, and it works amazing as a tripod. If I sit here, can't you just see yourself with that beautiful landscape? You're locked down, and
there you go, trying to sell it again. I don't think you need to sell anymore. I think you've got, what do we call it though? What is this thing called?
This is called the Panoptic folding table. I don't know, the portable table.
The chamber table.
Chamber table, there you go.
It's the Panoptic chamber table.
Oh,
so,
I don't think that's a good idea.
With some delicious noodles. So what we're going to do is we're going to tally the scores. Dan has been meticulously creating a spreadsheet. He's probably taken a few hours just to go through this and add them up and just find out which score is going to be the highest. I know I won, so it really it's not a problem.
No.
But we'll come back to you, and Dan will actually reveal the winner, and then the loser, the guy with the big L on the forehead, is
going to have to use all this great equipment.
Use that great equipment for a special photo shoot this afternoon.
Yeah. We'll see you there. Don't you need one of these?
I just saw a picture on Facebook of somebody
So aren't these wonderful hacks? So you have the nice system here.
Oh, that's so
you can be
gross.
hands-free and you can talk. You can actually eat or have a beverage while you're filming. So it also works as a.
And is it ironic that this is bent and it says butt?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So this is the butter bender.
It's the butter.
The butter bender flash bender. So mine lost. Mine was a milk jug. That worked really well, but it was like the accumulative points of actually 3 items.
Okay.
So, and I lost, so I have to use this beautiful equipment today.
It's not
So, but let me just really quickly figure out my exposure. There we go. We're going to close that lens down a little bit. Oh, and the nice thing, see, is because it is...
Now, Shasta, you don't feel silly at all.
No.
Considering what he looks like to you. I mean,
I work around guys all day long.
So here was always my thing was that whenever
That's
I look
silly
at hacks
for myself.
online, it's like, are you kidding me? Are you really going to tell somebody who's a professional photographer and convince them to take their portraits with this kind of equipment?
It's amazing.
But look at how beautiful the light is off of the butter bender. It's all the magic is right here.
This is not for real, right?
This is for real. Whoop.
Please do not slide your expensive camera off that lid.
I won't. Little over there.
but
Okay.
Shasta, you can just imagine people sitting around your bar area with one of these
That's
platforms.
right. So then they can all...
Yeah, no, the health department would be thrilled
It's
with
just,
that.
drinks and you could serve like that. And you still have hands free to pick things up, move around, and talk. I like to talk with my hands, so.
You might need some shower grippers on there so nothing slides off.
Ooh, yeah. To mount on there.
Some little
So.
those flower petals.
Oh, that's awesome.
And it was only $6 brand new. So
but you got yours used, right?
Yeah,
so you
yeah.
only
So
$3.
it was only $3. See, that's what lost. What made me lose is you got points if it was under $5. If you went over 5, then you got no points.
That's
So
right.
You got 1 point, and then it was how ridiculous is it? And what?
I have a motorcycle shop with a bathroom that's attended by 99% men. I've seen worse.
Yeah.
So Shasta, just real quick, tell us where we are. Tell us a little bit about who you are. I mean, we've worked with you before. We've taken pictures of you at photo shoots and done workshops with you.
Many moons ago. I'm much older now. I'm Shasta Smith, and this is the Vintage Monkey. You're in my home away from home. We have a motorcycle cafe, retail, a motorcycle exhibit, and we pride ourselves on servicing some of the best classic and antique motorcycles here in our region.
Yeah, you've got like 18 motorcycles on display, plus the stuff up on the racks down below. Just an amazing place. They're building the coolest looking bar area here that's going to use shell casings, ammunition shell casings all around the bar top. Just a great location. She's building it up into a fantastic spot for events, and her shop, just incredible. But Shasta's been a friend of ours at Panoptic Chopsticks for a long time, but we're glad that she could test
The Butterbender today.
and the platform.
We haven't given it a good name yet, so.
I always like very eccentric, attire, so I think you've topped that for the day.
Thanks for letting us come in
Yeah,
today, Shasta.
thanks.
We appreciate that.